Hi students, welcome you for the class 4. In this class we are discussing some examples on hyperbolic functions. Relation between hyperbolic functions and circular function. First one, we know that sin x equals e power ix minus e power minus ix divided by 2i. Okay, so put x equals ix in this formula. Replace x by ix. Sin ix equals e power I into ix minus e power minus I into ix divided by 2i. I into I square value minus 1, e power minus x minus e power minus I square value minus plus e power x divided by 2i. Now take minus sign common. We have e power x minus e power minus x divided by 2i. Divide and multiply both numerator and denominator by I. Okay. Minus 1 into I minus I e power x minus e power minus x divided by 2i into I square. 2i square value 2 into minus 1. Minus cancel. I into e power x minus e power minus x divided by 2i. This is the value of sin hyperbolic x. Therefore, sin ix equals I into sin hyperbolic x. Next example, cos x. We know that cos x equals e power ix plus e power minus ix divided by 2. Again, same procedure. Put x equals ix. In this expression, cos ix equals e power I into ix plus e power minus I into ix divided by 2. This becomes e power minus I square, e power I square value, e power minus 1 into x, e power minus x plus minus 1 into I square value minus 1 minus plus e power x divided by 2. Okay, equals, this can be written as e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. That is cos ix equals cos hyperbolic x, cos hx. Third one, tan ix. Tan ix can be written as sin ix by cos ix. But we know that sin ix equals I sin hx divided by cos ix is cos hx. I sin by cos, tan I into tan hx. Therefore, tan ix equals I into tan hyperbolic x. Next example, separate into real and imaginary parts of sin of x plus y, iy. Solution, consider sin of x plus iy equals sin x cos iy plus cos x sin iy by using the formula of sin a plus b equals sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin x, we know that cos iy is cos hy plus cos x sin iy is I sin hy. That is equals sin x cos hy plus I cos x sin hy. This is a plus ib form. In this one, real part, this is real part. Real part is sin x cos hy and this is imaginary part. Imaginary part equals cos x sin hy. Example, express cos of x plus iy into real and imaginary parts. We know that cos of a plus ib formula is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Here we have cos of x plus iy. Cos x cos iy minus sin x sin iy. Cos x cos iy is cos hy minus sin x sin iy is I sin hy. Cos x cos hy plus minus 1 into I minus 1 I sin x sin hy. This is real part, this is imaginary part. Real part is cos x cos hy, imaginary part is minus 1 into sin x sin hy. Note, sin of a plus b equals sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b equals sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos of a plus b equals cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. cos of a minus b equals cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Next example, express tan of x plus iy into real and imaginary parts. Tan of x plus iy equals sin of x plus iy divided by cos of x plus iy. Now multiply and divide by cos of x minus iy, that is sin of x plus y into cos of x minus iy, cos of x plus iy into cos of x minus iy. Now multiply and divide both numerator and denominator by the number 2. 2 into sin of x plus iy cos of x minus iy, 2 into cos of x plus iy cos of x minus iy. This is of the form 2 sin a cos b. This is 2 cos a cos b. But we know that 2 sin a sin cos b formula sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Here a is x plus iy, b is x minus iy. Sin of a plus b, sin of x plus iy plus x minus iy plus sin of x plus iy minus x minus iy divided by, this is 2 cos a cos b. Formula cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Cos of, this is a plus b plus cos of a x plus iy minus b x minus iy. Sin of x plus x, sin 2x, iy minus iy cancel, sin 2x plus sin of x minus x cancel, iy minus minus plus iy, 2iy, sin 2iy. Similarly cos 2x plus cos 2iy, that is sin 2x, sin I into 2y is I into sin hyperbolic 2y, cos 2x plus cos hyperbolic 2y. LHS tan of x plus iy equals sin 2x divided by cos 2x plus cos h 2y plus I sin h 2y divided by cos 2x plus cos h 2y. This is real part, this is imaginary part. Real part equals sin 2x divided by cos 2x plus cos h 2y, and imaginary part is sin h 2y divided by cos 2x plus cos h 2y. Next example, if sin of a plus ib equals x plus iy, prove that x square by cos h square b plus y square by sin h square b equals 1. This is first question. In that, second sub question is x square cosecant square a minus y square secant square a equals 1. First take the given conditions. Given sin of a plus ib equals x plus iy. Expand this. Sin a cos ib plus cos a sin ib equals x plus iy. Sin a cos ib is cos hb plus cos a sin ib is I sin hb equals x plus iy. Sin a cos hb plus I cos a sin hb equals x plus iy. Now equate real and imaginary parts. Sin a cos hb equals x. Cos a sin hb equals y. X equals sin a cos hb, y equals cos a sin hb. Sin a equals x divided by cos hb. Cos a equals y divided by sin hb. Now consider sin square a plus cos square a. This is sin square a. X by cos hb whole square plus cos square a. This one. Y by sin hb whole square. This is x square cos h square b plus y square sin h square b. We know that sin square a plus cos square a equals 1. This is the result 1. Next one. Consider cosecant h square b minus sin h square b equals 1. We know that cosecant h square b minus sin h square b. By using this, this is cos cos h square b minus sin h square b. Cos hb is x by sin a, x by sin a square minus sin hb. Sin hb is y by cos a, y by cos a whole square. This is x square by sin square a minus y square by cos square a. This is 1. X square by sin square a can be written as x square cosecant square a minus y square by cos square a can be written as y square secant square a equals this one 1.